Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We see that the highest power that is about number 2. This one you got about number 2. So they are equal power in here. So that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one that is about number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we cancel. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Y we transform vs. So s and s we can do about factorization. S square we can put outside. So we need to cancel s square and s square. Next, I will put v go to the left, go to the right. Later that we can do common denominator. And now we need to expand this one. So 2v minus 2v. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one that is about, oh sorry, I forget s in here. So the integration of this one that is about octane of v. The integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.